I'm Steve Turano with Ask a Real Expert. This answer is going out to Don Z. He asked this question, and I've had this question a lot. He said, Steve, I see a lot of videos that talk about not spending more than 45 minutes in the gym, or you end up getting a cortisol response, and then you end up losing muscle. Is this true? Well, I don't want to start a video war with anybody who has a different opinion, but I just want to have people begin to think critically and logically and objectively. When we go to the gym, and I'm just going to throw out some simple numbers. Let's say I go to the gym and I do chest. Let's forget about the amount of time that I'm there. But let's say I do 16 sets of chest, meaning 4 exercises of 4 sets each. And those are working sets, not the warm-up stuff. And I have the weight in my hands for 15 seconds. Now on some of the easier sets it might be shorter, some of the harder sets it might be longer. But again, 4 exercises, 4 sets of each exercise, and each set takes about 15 seconds. That is a total of 4 minutes that I'm working out in the gym. 4 minutes. 4 minutes that the weight is in my hands and I'm training with intensity. So it doesn't matter how long I take to do my chest. 45 minutes, an hour and a half, maybe I'm bullshitting with some hot chicks, maybe I'm joking with my buddies. In the end, I've got the weights in my hands for 4 exercises, 4 sets of 4 exercises for 15 seconds, or a total of 4 minutes. So again, when you look at this critically, you go, well, yeah, that doesn't really make much sense, does it? 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, it doesn't really make much sense. Do we want a lot of cortisol coursing through our veins? No, we don't. And I'm going to say this. I bet worrying about work, money, your relationship, your family, and everything else in life creates more of a cortisol response than working out. And we forget that we have to create some type of stress and tension on the muscle for it to adapt and get bigger and stronger. That's why we work out. And then you got to remember this. As you work out harder and harder and harder, your body gets in shape. So it becomes used to that workout. So if it becomes used to that workout, you're not going to have much more of a cortisol response at all, because now you're used to it. And then what do you have to do? You have to pick up the intensity of your workouts so you have a better response. You get better results. More weights, more sets, more reps, more exercises. But oh my gosh, but then again, what about that cortisol response? But remember, we only have the weights in our hands for 4 minutes. So if you add another 4 sets, whether it's more exercises or more sets, it adds another minute to your workout. So again, thinking critically when it comes to some of these myths. I'm Steve Turano. Train smart, train hard.